I'm here with Kristen Harrington at the Columbia. It's in layup right now doing winter maintenance, and she is going to tell us a little bit about the ocean acidification sampling equipment. But before then, she's a little shy. She doesn't want to be on camera. She's going to tell us a little bit about her job at the Marine Highway. She's an environmental engineer for how many years?
Specialist.
Environmental specialist, sorry. How many years?
About 3 years.
Okay. And that job usually entails what duties?
We do a lot of different aspects with the terminals as well as with the vessels on their stormwater sampling, on their wastewater sampling, on any environmental components that would have to be required, including the ocean acidification project that was brought on in 2017. And I monitor that on a regular basis every Wednesdays and Sundays to collect the data when the Columbia is running. And it's a really important scientific project that has produced a lot of awesome data that you can actually go and see.
Here we are going down into the bowels of the little bow of the Columbia to where the sample is being collected.
Nope, and so the water comes in through the bow thruster and it comes in through these piping systems. And so where our sample gets taken is that we clean out this system right here. There is a filter in
This
there.
filter right here, about filter canister?
This
Yep.
one.
Yeah.
And then
Okay, and so as the ship is going through the water continually, there's a continual flow of water looping through the testing equipment, but then the testing equipment would randomly sample at certain points through
every
the...
2 minutes.
Every 2 minutes it's taking a sample. Oh, I see.
So this is what I clean every
So
Wednesday and
every
Sunday.
Wednesday you pull that out. That's just like an intake filter. That's so that you're getting good flow to the... So did what was the name of the group that's sponsored this?
In the Alaska Ocean Acidification Project.
Oh, Alaska Ocean Acidification Project.
And so it pipes up through the bow thruster and then up through the main.
Deck, car deck. Yeah. Oh, that's the pump for the bow thruster.
For Hakaya Institute and the Alaska Ocean Acidification Project, we have the wet box. We also have the dry box, which you can see that it has the technical components included in it. And in the wet box, there is a temperature monitor. There's also the ocean strainer, along with the equilibrator. And when the system is actually running, water flows through the system through all these pipelines here.
Mm-hmm.
And when it comes in the dry box then records all the information. And from that, we actually take data from that and record it on a USB drive and then send it out for all the information. But at the moment, it's not recording any information. And then, in addition to that, we have the Monterey Bay project, which has been added in 2018. And from there, they also take additional samples, which also record information from the CO2 monitoring system. So it's just an additional.
Yeah, you're essentially feeding data to two different institutes on ocean acidification and other chemical.
And all the information has been publicized, and it's
Obviously.
Yep.
And how long has the program been running?
Since 2018, April.
And it's taking a sample every, you said 2 minutes?
2 minutes. And
I'd like to thank Kristen for giving us the tour today. It was great. Fun to go through the ship like that, see how this is done, see how she has to clean the intake screen, and where she goes to do her actual take the technical data out of the computer there. You can find the associated link in the description of the video here today, and monitor this program as it keeps going. It's a unique program in the sense that it's using a public asset, the public ferry, to track ocean acidification and other various parameters over the course of the travels of the Columbia, all the way from Bellingham, Washington, all the way through the Inside Passage. So thanks to the AMHS and the other agencies that are involved in this, and for Kristen's work going down there and grabbing this data twice a week and cleaning that screen and so forth. So thanks for watching Ketchikan Alaska News.